Assalamualaikum dan Selamat Sejahtera. I am Muhammad Amanullah bin Muhammad Rashidi, a final year law student from University Technology Mara, Malaysia. Education is the pinnacle of success, which advances a person's station in life. Education is the catalyst to promote growth and innovation in terms of economy, technology, regional prosperity, and sustainable development. I believe that everyone should play an important role to achieve those ambitions. In this digital era and globalized world, it has become more important for us to utilize and implement the best of our modern tools to enhance the quality of our education. Therefore, in the YSEALI Regional Workshop 2023, I look forward to discover new opportunities and ways for us to empower our society as well as exploit new meaningful connections with great-minded people. Terima kasih. Thank you. And I hope to see everyone very soon.